Hey guys, welcome to Functional Print Friday. A little bit ago, my wife and I got a pair of these pruning shears from Felco. These are super nice. They're great for trimming up around the garden or just bushes around the house and such. Obviously, they're not going to cut anything really big, but for small stuff like this, they're just the right size. They're really nice. Problem was, while these are really nice, they weren't cheap, and you know, it's like one of those new things you get that you use in all different places. Where does it go? Well, unfortunately, when I'd go looking for it, where I'd find it was here, 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 and here, here, here. Okay, maybe I made that one up. Here, here, and here. Oh, Bino. I was wondering where this was. So on top of being hard to find, they were actually starting to rust a bit. These got left out in the rain a couple of times, which is a shame because these were absolutely worth the 50 bucks. In fact, this is probably one of the few items I've seen on Amazon that has like a full 5 stars. I don't know that anyone has ever reviewed these things poorly. I'll link these down below if you're looking for a good set of pruners. But anyway, I was tired of chasing these things down, so I'll show you what I did. Right inside the garage, same color as the handles, can satisfyingly drop them right in. They're open at the bottom, so we don't have to worry about the point of these breaking through this over time. And this print's in one piece, standing up, no supports required. Let's go take a look at the design. All right, and here is the design for this, and not a ton of things to point out on this. You can see I did relieve all of the edges just for appearance and also to make it a little bit easier to drop the pruners in. The pocket here, the recess and taper here on these holes are for a standard drywall or all-purpose screw. They should sink just below the surface the way these are tapered. The one pitfall to avoid here is this is not the face that you want to have against the print bed. This is not the bottom. It might look nice and flat, but that's because it's the part that goes against the wall. If you use that as the bottom, you're going to end up with a whole bunch of supports inside here, or asking quite a bit of your printer from a bridging perspective. You want to print this guy standing up like this. So this down here would be the face that goes against your print bed. And if I had to make one change to this design, it would have been using a 45-degree bevel instead of a curved edge on the bottom here. Anytime you have a curved edge like this on the bottom of your print, the printer is really going to struggle with the overhangs for the first couple of angles. So like up to the second one that I've highlighted there, the printer is really going to struggle with that, and you're going to get probably a little bit of, you know, kind of looks like oozing or just unattached strings when it tries to print that overhang. Not a huge deal on the bottom of this print since we're not going to see that anyway, and it cleans off real easy, but that is one change I would make if I did this over again. Guys, if you do want to make one of these, I believe it's the Felco, I think it's the F6 size pruners that these fit in, and there's a bunch of generic ones available as well. But if you don't have a nice set of pruners, these are really nice. They're not a sponsor of the channel. I bought that with my own money. That said, the link in the description, if you decide to pick up a pair, it is an affiliate link for Amazon. I think I get like 40 cents if you buy one through the link. It costs you the same. Nice way to support the channel if you're in the market for one of these anyway. And go ahead and download the STL and print one of these for yourself. The STL for this and all the designs that I feature on this channel are at fpfdesigns.com. And guys, if this is your first time here, I hope you enjoyed the video. Whether you're going to make one of these or not, if you got something out of this, please consider hitting that like button. Hit that subscribe button. I do a new video like this every single Friday. Solves a problem around the shop, in the house, or outside. And guys, if you do hit that subscribe button, I will see you next Friday.